Hey guys, it's me Sarvesh back again with another video. Today we'll learn to interface Nokia 5110 LCD to an Arduino board, and in the end we'll make this awesome game using the screen and the joystick module. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell to never miss any video. Things we need for this project are a Nokia 5110 LCD screen, an Arduino Uno board, a joystick module, breadboard, a battery and few connecting wires. Before moving on to the connections part, let us first understand the 5110 LCD. This is a 48x84 pixel LCD. That is, it has 48 rows and 84 columns. It is just like a chessboard with each box representing a pixel. As it is a 48x84 pixel LCD, we get to operate on 4032 pixels in order to show our desired image, character or object on the screen. The pixel count starts from 0. Therefore, the row count starts from 0 to 47 and the column count starts from 0 to 83. We create an image by turning on and off multiple pixels simultaneously. In order to do that, we will use some pre-built libraries that will ease our job. So now let's take a look at the connections. The reset pin of the LCD is connected to pin 3 of the Arduino, the CE pin to pin 4 of the Arduino. The DC pin of the LCD is connected to pin 5 and the D-in and clock pins are connected to the pin 11 and 13 of the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin to 3.3 or 5 volt depending on the voltage ratings. If you want to use the backlight, connect the BL pin to VCC, else you can connect it to ground. Now connect the ground pin of the LCD to the Arduino's ground. Then open your Arduino IDE and install the Adafruit PCD 8544 library along with the Adafruit GFX library. Then go to the examples and open the sketch titled PCD test. I will leave a link to that below in the description. Don't forget to uncomment the proper pins or you won't get anything on your display. Note that we are using the hardware SPI pins. After that, upload the code and you should see your display in action. Once this test is successful, now it is time to move to the next step. Now connect the joystick to analog pin A0. I attached the joystick module on a breadboard, so I will use the X-axis as the Y-axis. I will leave a link to the circuit diagram for better understanding. Now comes the coding part. I created a small game to catch the falling eggs. The code is quite simple, but it took me a while to write it down. And after some trial and error, it was done. The link to the code will be provided in the description. For a change, I tried to explain the code on my website. So make sure you post your feedback there and let me know if you want me to explain the programs in the videos as well. Now compile and upload the code. In the end, add a battery to power the Arduino board. That's it. You are done. Now enjoy the game. There are lots of places where you can use this LCD. I will also show you guys how to display black and white images on this LCD screen in some other video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Share it with your friends. If you have any queries or suggestions, post them in the comments section below. Stay creative and see you in another video.